perfect.
You got the wrong pregnant person. It's so good. Actually, if I win, I'm telling you, we have luck. Di ba rin
Game.
Oh. Beer chugging contest.
Beer chug.
Oh, okay, so it's a baby shower, but it's a beer drinking contest.
Oh, but on the thing. In case Shani cheats.
Dude.
I heard you're very good at soccer.
Right here. I learned it from you. Hi. I'll take this one.
Each one grab one, whatever. Alright, let's start. In 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Shotgun.
Alright, who is leading? Dylan is winning. Come on, Dylan. Let's go!
That was so fast.
No, one second. One more.
Basta weak mo.
One more. I already know.
Naunahan ka na, oh.
Fight hard.
Why are you doing so fast?
Mama.
Broken.
Dylan, what's your secret, Dylan?
She's supposed to be good at it. You have to bite it first. That's what I was trying to do. I was gonna bite and make it bigger, right? Thank you. I thought the price is like another beer. Oh, I'm gonna take it seriously.
It's kind of late. I thought you were gonna win, Shani.
No, sorry. I'm sorry I disappointed you.
Oh, meron pa isang game.
Next time. Ako lang.
Serenity is there. Wow! It's not him.
Oh shit! Ay, mali pala.
That was perfect though.
It's perfect. Oh, perfect. Perfect.
You got the wrong pregnant person.
Hi.
May ano pala dito, VIP room. Ano, may alak na ba dyan? Wala ba? May naantay eh. Buksan na natin bar. Oops, watch it. Oh, game na. Kanina, 11 AM pa sinasabi ko. 10 AM na kami mo eh. Oh, hi.
You know.
Oh, Mike. Wow. Delikado to. Pag kanyari cellphone, hawak-hawak mo.
Guys, put it back. Thank you. What happened? Oh, thank you for playing. Alright, thank you for playing. Thank you for playing.
Sayang. That was close.
Thank you for
It was a
playing.
little short. You have to lean forward. It's so good. Yanni!
Sorry.
Magaling talaga magdakma ka. Ay, it was a scam.
If you have a measurement, come to me. No cheating, guys.
That's pretty close.
That's close.
Archie, dito ka.
Saan na yung price?
Dito ka.
Hoy, malapit din oh.
Parang tayo po.
Ang laki naman. Ang laki oh. Sorry.
Ang laki.
Too short.
short.
Sorry, too short. That's yours.
Wow!
Ah.
Wow.
Eyeball.
Oh shit!
Exact?
Dito kayo.
Tulong.
Tulong.
Konti na lang yun. Almost.
Uy, nakadalawang balik na to.
Short.
Hoy!
1 inch.
May mas maliit. May mas maliit. Umalis ka dyan.
Mas may maliit. Mas may maliit na pinutol to.
Sorry, kumenta ko.
Wow.
Kanina ka pa. Montek.
Close. Dito ka, marami rin ha.
Oh my God! Ang daming malalapit!
Saan pa dapat? Dito?
No, he has.
Good. Parang dinaya to eh.
Kanina yan? Kay Dylan.
Dylan ba? O, Dylan.
Dylan!
Okay. Pasok na.
Dalawa na lang yung gift.
Tatlo. Sorry guys.
Karera na lang. Pinasa ka lang.
Naasa lang lagi naman.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
May laman yun ah.
Kung ilang M&M? Guess how much? Teka, pasulat nga rin ako.
Yeah.
Paano ba to?
Asa yung panulat?
So you counted it?
424.
Wow. 420. Sige, susunod ako. Dito.
Tapos pangalan.
Ba't dalawa kayo?
Nice.
Uy, doon kasi iba.
What's your name with the
Gago to, tignan mo.
number of evidence?
Tignan mo.
Ikaw naglagay dyan. Sige, gawin mo na ng 369. Batang Quiapo. Parang kilala ko kasi yung artista dun ah. Parang si Ipang Pasakulog.
Dodong Tisoy na lang. Dodong Tisoy.
You have to be here to claim the prize.
Wala. Sino yan?
424.
Who guessed 424?
Who got 424? O, panalo ka nito.
Right away? What the fuck, first shot? No way.
I thought this was gonna take forever.
This is just a raffle. Dadaan ka raffle.
Pero 424?
No. Oh, you get to win it.
Oh, I did.
I want it.
Wow! Binili lang talaga.
Mali yung number.
Mali yung number, okay. I thought it was like
The number is here.
Sabi kasi may kakambal na swerte yan eh. Oh, yan, yung mga lasinggero, yun oh, nasa bar.
Ayun oh.
Oh, yung mga nasa bar, kaway naman dyan oh. Yan.
Ay.
Yung kaya yun, medyo malapit.
Oo nga no.
Medyo malapit yung sinabi.
Pag ako nanalo, kalokohan mo.
Okay, there's the number right here. 351.
I was close.
Mine is 69. 369.
351.
351? You didn't put it?
351.
Wow, I'm close.
Whoever is the closest or got the right exact number.
Ashton, if I win, I'm telling you, we have luck. I don't know.
Merong 64.
Oh shit. Ashton, if I win, I'm telling you, we have luck. I don't know. Sayang, may 364.
850?
Okay. Ang dami niyan.
Malapit sa MK.
Ilan siya?
48.
Wow.
Anong
Hindi
2, 3?
248.
Ay, sorry.
Sampaling kita.
I think they need help. Hindi marunong magmat.
Uy!
Sino yan?
Wow.
Ay, kilala ko to.
Tignan natin baka merong sumakto.
Christian! Mukhang mananalo ka. Tignan natin.
Sabi mo kasi yung pangalan.
Oh, 1,000. Grabe mo sa
Oh,
Richie.
ito. Huwag mo sabihin yung pangalan.
Oh,
Yun yung pinakamalapit.
That's the closest one.
And the winner got 350. Do you know who you are? 350. Who gets 350? Come up.
Who gets 350?
Gutierrez!
Yes! Ang galing!
Nice! Congratulations!
Bigyan ng beer to. Kulang.
Ayan na, ito na po.
For the camera, man.
Malasinggero. I'm gonna borrow a baby. Take a picture. Ay, sakto. Ayun na yung magliligpit.
I'm not used to mga late eh.
Parang hindi. Tutok na ako.
Number 1 eh.
Parang ayaw magpakuha.
Saktong-sakto.
Dili.
Oh, matching pa kayo ha? Nag-usap pa kayo?
Grabe kayo ba, partner?
Di ba yung nagyaya ng PBL?
Ha? Si Jojo. Kasali ka ba kayo kuya? Hindi. Alis, uwi-uwi ako eh.
Ito lang ang nagpa-baby shower na shot glass ng ano.
Dark chocolate, jackpot.
Oo, nagkakapustahan na dito.
Ano to? Shooting? May pusta ba yan? Oo, 10 on 10, 10 on 10. Oh, your team there. Us right here.
Back out. Back out mo.
Whoa!
What's my name?
I'm betting you it's gonna be short.
It's gonna be short. Short! Eh, mamot. Wow! Oh, siya.
Fight ka gabi. Ay, 5 na.
Oh, they actually can shoot. Like majority of the shots are close.
Sino ba isa? Ay, si Paul!
Yeah!
Hoy, teka! Si ano pa?
Mana siya.